In today's video, we are reviewing the Nike Vision Nike React Live. Yeah, I believe that's the name, the correct name. So without too much talking, let's get into the video.
Wow, nice suit. Zip it, Stanley.
Yes, guys. So yes, guys, here they are. This is what the box looks like. I'm not gonna lie, this is the most basic looking box I've seen in my life. But yeah, let's open it. So here they are. I'm not gonna lie, I love the blue, the nuances, the shades of blue, the fading of the blue. Actually, there's no fading of the blue here, but I just wanted to add it because it sounded poetic in it, but never mind. The design is I like it. I don't know why. It feels cartoonish to me, like it's got like a cartoon appearance, like I don't know why, innit? Maybe it's just me, you know. And it's got the number 354, number 354. What does the 354 stand for? You can tell by the material that it's very light. Let me bring it closer. See, it's very, very light. See, super duper light, you know? Here's the inside. What? You see it? Yeah, I like this. I like this. Yes, I do. What about the laces? It's alright. I like the golden parts of it, you know, and I like the logo as well. The little Nike logo looks good, you know. I like golden and fiery stuff in it, you know, because I'm a Leo and my element is fire. You get me? And since a child, I've been obsessed with fire for some reason. I don't know why. At the bottom, it's got a little Nike React written on it. But yeah, guys, let's put them on. One thing I wanted to add about the laces is that if you look at it properly, it's different. You see the way the laces goes inside in the pair is different. The way you put them on is different. Because instead of little holes, you actually got these golden, what would I call these? Golden bridges or whatever, through which the laces go through, you know. Instead of a hole, it goes through this, you know. So yeah, golden arcs, that's how I'll call it, golden arcs. And yeah, that's original, out of the blue, and I like it. But yeah, let's put them on now for real.
Never be late with respect to the way of the warrior. Be useful to the Lord. Be respectful to your parents. Get beyond love and grief. Exist for the good of man.
This is what they look like on the end. And I'm not gonna lie to you folks, it exceeded my expectation. No cap. My expectations were exceeded in terms of aesthetics. Because I thought they were just gonna look a bit dead. But really and truly, that's the furthest from the truth, furthest from the reality. You know what I'm saying? They actually look stunning. The feeling inside is one of comfort And if you got the appropriate success, you shouldn't feel too cold. However, a big however, I am certain that you will feel the rain. A little bit at least. Actually, tell a lie, you wouldn't feel it unless with tear and wear over time, like there starts to be like a gap between this part and this part, and this part and this part. Except from that, you wouldn't feel the rain. I talk about the rain often because, you know, I'm from the UK, I'm from London, you know? So I gotta be aware of that factor, you know? But except from that, it's so comfortable. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I was about to give this pair such a low mark. But it's gonna get something higher than what I expected, you know? Yeah. You know, sometimes the only way to rate a shoes properly is you gotta put it on. Otherwise, you won't get the full experience, you know? The on-foot look. And I would like to add one thing, the on-foot feel. The on-foot feel, that's very important, you know? How it feels, you know? But yeah, guys, let's keep going on. There's not much to say. It's just good. God damn it. I'm not gonna lie, I love this pair. It's just simply sweet. You know, the experience was sweet. You know, at first I was like, there's no way I can give. I was gonna give this pair a 7, but then when I put them on and I experienced them to the fullest extent, that's when I realized that this pair was in the upper tier, you know? I'll give it an 8.5, you know? 8.5. It's gotta be an 8.5. If it was slightly more rigid at the top, like slightly, still flexible, but slightly more rigid, yeah, it would have strengthened my trust in the pair. Do you know what I'm saying? But it's like my trust is like it's like but yeah, 8.5. Overall it's just great, you know what I'm saying? So yes guys, make sure you like, subscribe and share. It was your boy Tenamsco and I'm out.